the Zambuluzus Zalef Kalamalas Ili Kalef. I stayed 15 years in the black jungle of Soberia, where I learned my skills of shaman. I can make any dream that you have come true. Come see me any time of the day. You wanna have women? I can make you get women. I will make your dream come true. True, 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 true. Make any dream come true. I just have to lift up my magic finger and I make everything happen how you want it to. But first, you must write your name, your account number, and sign below the paper. You can visit me all day. I live next to my office. My room is upstairs and the office is downstairs. First you have to drink the magical potion of a shaman. It is made out of banana juice, spider fingers, and frog ears. It's a very energetical drink. Try it. Try it. Try. Yes, I take Visa card and MasterCard too. Yes. Try it. You will see how much ladies you get in 15 minutes. Try it. I make people win a lot of money on lotto tickets. I make them travel all over the world. Yes, to see very magical place. My office is on 57 Zambo Street. You will see a yellow line on a black board named Mazu Zalef. It is my office. Don't be afraid to visit my office. If you want to be a shaman, I have a shaman school. Yes, yes, I have a shaman school. You will learn to be a shaman, not as good as me, but very powerful in 5 years. But first, you write your name, your account number, and you sign below the paper. We are the Shaman Supreme. Means we have the power of light and darkness. True breath. Say it like me. True breath. If you believe in shamanity. If you want to get married to your girlfriend, I can make it happen today. Yes. I can make her say yes. Look into my eyes for 2 minutes and I will show you your life. But first, you have to sign on the paper. I take traveler's check also. Yes. And if your bank is in Swiss, I give you a bonus.
Es geht los. Ui, 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 ui.